There are plenty of ways to quit smoking and others looking to make it easier for you to stick with it.
And now some research is being done here in Hampton Roads for people to kick the habit in a whole new way. 10 on your side's Marielena Balouris shows us what's being done and how you can help. Lena.
Anita, Tom, a Norfolk-based doctor is looking for smokers to take part in a nationwide trial of a medication to help people quit smoking. The doctor believes with COVID, it's more important than ever to quit.
Tobacco use is one of the biggest public health threats the world has ever faced, killing more than 8 million people per year. That's according to the World Health Organization. To give people another tool to quit, researchers in the United States are testing a medication already in use in Eastern Europe. It's called cytisinicline.
It's a plant-based compound, and it's in a tablet form, and it's been found to be effective in cutting the crave that people have, or the craving people have for smoking, and also kind of blunts the nicotine kick that people get.
Dr. Kimberly Ellis is leading the trial in Norfolk. They're looking for smokers who have tried to quit before and are willing to set a new date to quit to participate in this study.
This will help them, succeed in that.
Dr. Ellis says cytisinicline helps block nicotine from binding to receptors in the brain. It also helps lessen the cravings and side effects related to nicotine withdrawal. It may also help people quit as COVID-19 continues to spread.
If you do get COVID, it affects the severity of the disease without a doubt. So a lot of people are ready, and I think the most important thing is people have to be ready to set a quit date, and this really helps.
Ellis says the study will last for a few months, and she's hopeful people will take part.
It's their opportunity to finally quit.
They're looking for participants to sign up as soon as possible. We will share the sign-up details as well as more of the criteria over on WAVY.com. I'm Marielena Balouris, 10 on your side.